Hi everybody, now we're going to go on to pancakes because I fancy pancakes for breakfast today. Okay, so let's have a look at the ingredients and what we need to make pancakes or crepes, the French say. Bowl, we've got a mixer, we've got salt, we've got eggs, 2 eggs, flour, milk, and to make it a bit healthier we're going to use some oats, and then to put it in, to measure it, we need a cup. Okay, so let's see what we need to do. We need to crack open the eggs. Okay, so today we're going to use 2 eggs, nice and hard. Well done, crack them open. Put the shell there, that's fine. So look, make sure there's no shell in there. Well done. Come on in, crack open the other one. Nice and hard. Well done. That's it, see, we've got 2 eggs. Now we're going to put in a cup of flour. Okay, so pick up the cup. More or less a cup of flour. Super. Now tip it in to the egg. Give it a bang so you can shake the bits off. That's it. Lovely. Now we're going to put in maybe 2 cups of milk, more or less, or 1.5. Let's have a look. Put 1 cup of milk first, and then we'll see what we need some more. That's it. Tip it in the cup. Milk in the cup. Super, a bit more. Fill it up to the top. That's it, full, it's full, well done. A full cup of milk. Super, tip it in. That's it, so now we've got egg, flour, and what else? Milk. Now we're going to put some oats in, maybe 1/2 cup. To make it a bit healthier, 1/2 cup of oats. Yeah, we're going to put some oats in. Okay, that would do. Well done. Let's have a look. So what have we got in here? We've got eggs. What else? Milk. What else? Flour. And what? Oats. That's it. Well done. And just to add a bit of salt, we're going to put in a pinch. Show me how much is a pinch. Let's have a look. Yeah, just a little bit of salt. A pinch of salt. Okay, and now with all these ingredients, we're going to mix it with the mixer. Okay. So when this is finished, I'm going to go on to the next video, and we're going to show you how we make the pancakes in the pancake mixer, in the pancake maker. Okay, so see you in the next video. Can you see where the sheep is? I can. Tell me in your comments. See you in the next video. Bye everybody. Bye bye.